The work in our videos is carried out by an expert. All explanations as well as executions are only a recommendation of the providers. In this video, we would like to show you the most common cause when the FWF series mincer does not start after it has just been delivered. Please disconnect the appliance from the power supply first. Then, turn it so that you can see the underside of the product or the bottom. Now remove the screws. The circuit board is mounted on the base plate. Check all plug connections there. To be on the safe side, you can also pull out the plugs one by one, then plug them back in again and press firmly. Finally, reassemble the article. Now, the mincer should work. We hope that we could help you with our explanation video. If you have any further questions, please feel free to contact us by mail or phone. If you now click on the first link of the video description down below, you will be directed to our web shop. There you will also find an overview of our social media platforms. See you next time.